Did you know that 70% of people who try to make money online fail because they don't know which skills to focus on? But here's the good news. In 2025, there are 3 high-income skills that anyone can learn, even if you're a complete beginner. By mastering these skills, you could start earning $1,000 or more every month. Stick around because today I'm breaking down exactly what these skills are, how to learn them, and where to find work. Let's get started. The first high-income skill you need to master in 2025 is social media management. With businesses spending billions on social media marketing, there's a huge demand for skilled managers who can create engaging content, run ads, and grow online communities. Here's how you can make money with social media management: freelance platforms, offer your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or TopTal, local businesses, approach small businesses that need help managing their social media accounts, agency work. Join a digital marketing agency to gain experience and build your portfolio. The average social media manager earns between $50 to $200 per hour, depending on their expertise. Ready to learn how to get started? Here's where you can learn this skill. To learn social media management, you don't need to spend a fortune. Here are some affordable and free resources. Free resources. YouTube channels like Social Media Examiner or blogs like Hootsuite's blog offer great tips. Paid courses. Check out platforms like Coursera, Social Media Marketing Specialization, or Udemy, Social Media Management Mastery. Practice tools. Use free tools like Canva for designing posts or Buffer for scheduling content. Once you've learned the basics, here are the best platforms to find work. Upwork, great for beginners to find small projects. Fiverr, perfect for offering quick social media management gigs. LinkedIn, ideal for connecting with businesses looking for social media experts. Now, let's explore the second skill. The second high-income skill is video editing. In 2025, video content is dominating the internet, and businesses are willing to pay top dollar for skilled editors who can create professional quality videos. Here's how you can make money with video editing. Freelance platforms. Offer your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Behance. Content creators. Work with YouTubers, podcasters, or influencers who need help editing their videos. Sell templates. Create and sell pre-made video templates or effects on marketplaces like Motion Array or Envato Elements. The average video editor earns between $40 to $150 per hour, depending on their experience. Want to know where to learn this skill? Here's what you need to know. Here's how you can learn video editing. Free resources. YouTube channels like Premiere Gal or Peter McKinnon offer excellent tutorials. Paid courses. Check out platforms like Skillshare, video editing with Adobe Premiere Pro, or Udemy, video editing for beginners. Practice tools. Use free tools like DaVinci Resolve or HitFilm Express to get started. Once you're ready, here are the best platforms to find work. Upwork, great for finding freelance video editing gigs. Fiverr, perfect for offering affordable editing services. Behance, ideal for showcasing your portfolio and attracting clients. Next, let's dive into the third skill. The third high-income skill is e-commerce store management. In 2025, online shopping is bigger than ever, and businesses need experts to manage their stores, optimize product listings, and run ads. Here's how you can make money with e-commerce store management. Freelance platforms. Offer your services on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or TopTal. Shopify experts. Join Shopify's expert marketplace to find clients. Start your own store. Use your skills to build and manage your own e-commerce store. The average e-commerce manager earns between $50 to $300 per hour, depending on their expertise. Ready to learn how to get started? Here's where to begin. Here's how you can learn e-commerce store management. Free resources. YouTube channels like Shopify Masters or blogs like Oberlo's blog offer great tips. Paid courses. Check out platforms like Coursera, e-commerce specialization, or Udemy, Shopify dropshipping mastery. Practice tools. Use free trials of Shopify or WooCommerce to build and manage a store. Once you're ready, here are the best platforms to find work. Upwork, great for finding freelance e-commerce gigs. Shopify experts, perfect for connecting with businesses looking for e-commerce help. Fiverr, ideal for offering affordable store management services. Now, let's wrap this up with some final tips. Congratulations! You now know the top 3 high-income skills to make money online in 2025: social media management, video editing, and e-commerce store management. Whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your skill set, these skills are in high demand and can help you build a sustainable online income. Here are some general tips to succeed. Start small, focus on one skill, and scale as you go. Be consistent, show up every day, even if it's just for 30 minutes. Keep learning, stay updated with the latest trends and tools in your chosen field. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share how to create a winning freelance profile. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.